All right, from the school shoes we all wore as kids to trendy sneakers today, Bata has been a part of every Indian's journey. But how does a global giant like Bata walk the fine line between heritage and modernity? Hello and welcome to ET Studios. I'm Himanshi Tiwari joining you from the Great India Retail Summit 2025. Now let's lace up and step into the mind of Mr. Gunjan Shah, MD and CEO of Bata India. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Himanshi. Great, lovely being here.
All right, so Bata has walked miles with Indians, right? From schoolyards to boardroom. But what is that one big next step for the brand in India?
No, Bata has been, I think, associated with Indians for decades, right, across
Yeah.
generations. And our desire is not only the last 100 years, which we are very close to celebrating in India, but for the next 100 years and many more. And the DNA of that is going to be the keep on transformation, right? The transformation's got to keep in line with consumers and ahead of consumers. What are they looking for? And that's the piece that is keeping us sleepless at nights. I think if there is one big piece that you will see from Bata is going to be even more connected consumers, online experiences, omni-channel in stores, as well as making sure that we live up to our promise, which is making sure style and affordability and comfort comes across accessibility to consumers all across India.
All right, talking about style and affordability and also comfort. See, Bata is, of course, known for its comfort classics, right? So, how do you sort of ensure you're not just keeping up with those comfort, classics, but also setting the trends for the market?
Yeah. So there are many ways that we try and pivot ourselves on this entire piece of making sure that the stylishness comes through. One is, I think, the significant piece that we want to leverage even more going forward is going to be our global heritage, right? Designed in Italy, but manufactured in India, right? And that's going to be a signature piece. We have launched collections every season on that front. And even now, as we go forward, we will see a lot more coming through on that front. The second big piece is going to be technology, right? There is, even in the most stylish of shoes, and ladies even more so,
Yeah.
look for comfort,
Yeah.
right? Even if they're wearing stilettos. How do you make sure that comfort and technology is built in to make sure that the lady's foot is comfortable throughout the day, 9 to 9? So, making sure style comes through with backed by technology, I think is going to be the key way forward also on this.
Talking about that, as you rightly said, you're focusing on comfort, and that also sort of sums up to the experience that you're creating for your consumers. So, retail is no longer just about sales, right? It is also about consumer experiences. So, how is sort of Bata creating walk in experiences that are also turning out into walkout purchases?
Yeah, no, multiple fronts, Simanshi. I think one of the biggest pieces has been what we call as Bata 2.0, right? That's a concept that we have now overhauled almost 60% of our network. We've got a very large network in India, 2,000 stores, largest in footwear, but largest across fashion retail, one of the largest. And 60% of it has been transformed on that manner. The other big piece is make sure the consumer decision making is much easier within the store, discovery as well as meeting their needs. So if you're looking as a lady looking for an occasion wear, then you will have a section of plethora of choices, but made for you, right? And you won't have to search around the full store of us. So making sure the experience is much easier from a decision making. The last one is, as I said, omni-channel. We want to make sure that there's a seamless transition. Consumers are significantly digitally savvy. How do we make sure endless aisle that we have said that is not only the styles in the store, but
Yeah.
across full network of India is available to you at the touch click of a button. So all of these are steps towards that and many, many more.
All right, let's talk about today, present. If you had to sort of design a Make in India shoe that also represents our economy at this point in time, how would that shoe look like?
And why talk about the future on that? We have already done it, and we have our fastest growing brand, the fastest to cross 100 crores annualized revenue last year itself, even faster this year, has been a brand that's called Floats. It is our signature collection for casualization and comfort, which is what the Gen Z consumers are looking for. And it's been a roaring success. It's backed by technology, it's backed by comfort, and increasingly now we are upping the style quotient. So that's where it is. Completely made in India, designed in India, and manufactured in India. Now actually getting exported out of India
Exported
also.
out of India. You're talking about Gen Z, sir. Bata has, of course, survived generations, but Gen Z is a tough crowd
Yeah.
to crack, right? So, what is your pitch to make them Bata loyalists?
Yeah, amongst so many other things that I talked about in terms of style, in terms of omni-channel content, making sure the experiences come through that connect with Gen Z, I think the other big piece is that the Gen Z's eyeballs are significantly digitally influenced, right? So if you want to stay connected with them, you've got to be present where their eyeballs are. And I think the piece that we have done is a significant shift in our marketing expenses. A very large piece we keep it for the stores, but a very large chunk of the rest goes completely for digital marketing. So whether it be in terms of collaborations with various upcoming designers, the latest in trends, with even for, let's say, for example, we have launched a Marvel series of collection under our shoes, right? So collaborations as well as making sure national as well as local social media influencers are leveraged. So we've got on campaign for the last 1 year itself, almost close to 1,000 influencers who have released content associated with Bata and its products.
All right, sir, as we are moving towards the end of the conversation, when an Indian consumer thinks about Bata, be it any generation for that matter, what is that one line that you feel should come to their mind at that point in time?
Stylish and affordable footwear for me and my family.
All right, stylish, affordable footwear for the family and for myself as well. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of this discussion.
Thank you, Imanshi, and thank you to the viewers.
All
Lovely.
right, it was lovely chatting with you. Now, from global heritage to local insights, Bata India continues to evolve, blending comfort, style, and innovation to stay ahead in the retail game. So, as we have heard from Gunjan Shah, the brand is not just about the shoes, it is about creating experiences that resonate with Indian consumers while staying true to its global legacy. Now, that's a wrap on this conversation, but the insights from GIRS 2025 continue. Stay tuned for more engaging discussions right here at ET Studios.